Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the support. Honestly, I really do appreciate. So on my channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be vlogging. To be honest, I don't really know where exactly I'll be going to, but yeah, I'm going out to enjoy the weather. Honestly, it has not been easy for me. You all know I have a little boy now, so I've got 2 kids. It has been hard work. To be honest, it's really hard work. So but before I go out, because I'm going to be vlogging today, I want to introduce to you guys Miss FONG. I got my package. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys this product review. Though I went to their website and I saw they have lots of beautiful diaper bags. They are so beautiful and lovely. Honestly, I saw different types, different styles on their website. It's a leather bag, a diaper bag, especially those of you that have toddlers, newborn. This is the best diaper bag we're going to review. I also checked on Amazon and I saw they have good reviews, to be honest. So we're going to be unboxing this together. I'm going to be going out with this bag though, but let's just see what the bag looks like before I would dress up and start going out. For those of you looking for something posh, affordable, check them out. You can also go check them out on Instagram. You can check them on their website. I'm going to leave their handles on the description below for those of you interested in this package. So let's see what it looks like.
Moments later.
Hello guys, I am back. So I just finished having my shower. I am all dressed up now, so I'll be going out. And before I go out, I'm going to pack everything inside this diaper bag, and I'm going to package everything together with you guys so that you guys can see what can contain or what can fit inside this bag. This bag is quite big, to be honest. Like I said, I've got 2 kids, my daughter and my son, so I'm going to put all that they will need inside this bag. This is one of the best leather diaper bag I've seen, honestly speaking. So we're going to put everything in here. So let's do that. So guys, these are all the things that will fit inside this bag. So this is my daughter's top. She always wants it when we go out, so I'm putting this one here. Yeah, and this is my son's diaper. This bag, it has so many pockets inside, so many pockets. Honestly speaking, it got so many pockets in it. The good thing is that it has changing mats, so I don't have to put in changing mats. It has so many pockets in it, to be honest. It's nice. And these are my son's clothes, just in case. It's really hot weather today. It's really hot, guys. All this is going. Breastfeeding cover. So my wife, lip gloss, baby juice. So guys, you can see how everything fits in this bag. So this is a UK leather diaper bag, so it is UK brand. For those of you interested in this bag, trust me, this bag is so stylish, affordable. You can go and check them out. So I'll be going out with this bag now. I just wanted to show you guys what I put in this bag, and it is really stylish and affordable. So guys, we are on our way now. This is after 5, so we're going to a pub, and they have like indoor activity for kids. So we're going there because I feel like it's better. It's really hot here in the UK now, and because they have like indoor activity and there's like AC inside, that's why I want to go there. So that's where we're going now. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And don't forget to check out Miss FONG bag. Honestly speaking, that bag is worth buying. I think every mom should have it. Yes, it's really nice. It's worth having. Voila guys, we've just gotten to our destination. So this place is more like a family friendly, to be honest. So I always like to visit this place because they have like a pub where you can drink, have beer, and they also have like a indoor activity for children where they can also play. So I like to visit this place. So here, this is indoor activity. My daughter is there having fun. She's having a good time, and it's quite cold in here. It's really cold. Yeah, so it's cold here, but like it's cold here. So this place is quite better than the park. I'm going to park, to be honest, because at the park it's really warm. The weather is hot. It's hot outside there. So this is what the indoor activity looks like. So think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. I can help myself, I wanna miss you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you in. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new,
Don't stay in your clothes.
Yeah, I cannot see them because it's too small for me. You're driving? Wow. Bye. Play. You have to bring it out, Mama.
When the music's on, that means it's playable, but if when it goes to be a flag.
Oh, she won.
Why? When do I go? And I saw when the point is red, but when you use the how tiny sign.
So guys, we're still here enjoying ourselves. It's 7:30 now, and the indoor activity they close around. They've closed, so we just have to step outside. And like I said, outside here is a pub. So outside here is a pub, so we'll just stay here and chill, eat some chicken wings, drink, and then go home. So I'm just going to be ending my vlog here. If you find this video interesting and fun, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.